Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, in this video I will show you that how can use WHAPI webhook at your programming script. Simply go to your dashboard and go to WhatsApp menu. Select your desired number which you want to use for WhatsApp webhook. Go to API button, click here and now click set receiving webhook. Copy this code and paste into new tab. Now go back to WHAPI and go to your profile from this button. Copy your instance ID from here and go to this tab and replace instance ID. Now go to C panel where your webhook is located. In file manager, go to the public HTML folder. I have created WHAPI folder for my webhook and this file is my webhook. This is my old file. I am going to delete this file. This is not required. Let me show my code inside this file. This is the code. This function will collect all input post parameters and will save in this variable, and this function will create a new file.txt and will save all received post data into this file. Save. This is my complete path of this file, and also this is my webhook. Copy and go to your API code that was pasted here and paste your webhook URL here. Now press enter. You can see my webhook is saved on whapi.biz. Now I am going to test. Dear friends, this code will receive my all post parameters and will save into newfile.txt, and newfile.txt will create it automatically here as this file receive any post query. We are going to test now. I have connected my this number, so I'm going to send a test message here. Testing webhook. Now go back to your folder and reload. You will see the new file.txt has been created. Right click and click edit. Here is the received all parameters and all events etc, also message content. You can use these received data into your programming. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.